Happy International Zine Month! Today is day 4 and the theme for today is banana. For me that meant journeying into the kitchen. I don't put much effort into my cooking on an everyday basis. My meals are always cobbled together from whatever is in the house and they're basically as easy as I can make them. I do enjoy cooking, I just rarely make the time for it. Recently I've begun to collect recipes of dishes I want to cook and I'm slowly experimenting in the kitchen. This zine is a result of those experimentations, in particular my experimentations with bananas. This zine is also a little bit of an experiment within itself, as I combined hand-drawn elements and digital elements. I initially picked this prompt because bananas are among the most important food crops on the planet. Bananas are a healthy source of fibre, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C and various antioxidants and phytonutrients. Bananas are a rich source of healthy carbohydrates, which occur mainly as starch in unripe bananas and sugars in ripe bananas. Unripe bananas contain resistant starch, which function like fibre, aiding your gut and promoting healthy blood sugar levels. Bananas are a great source of potassium. A diet high in potassium can lower blood pressure in people with elevated levels and benefits heart health in general. Plus, bananas are delicious. This mini-zine is full of delicious and nutritious recipes featuring the humble banana. All of the recipes are vegan, simple to cook and easy to source ingredients. Trust me, if I can cook them, you can. I started off by hand drawing the titles for each of my recipes and illustrating each of them. I then digitised these drawings and put them into Photoshop and added the recipes onto the zine. The background for this is some glitter cardstock that I took a photograph of and added in behind. I think it looks really cool. I was a bit worried that the glitter wasn't going to show through, but I think it looks great. I don't need much of an excuse to use anything glittery. My last steps were to print my zine, cut them, fold them and pop them in my shop. If you want to enjoy these recipes, check out the link in my description below to grab your copy of the banana zine now. I hope you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching, and happy International Zine Month to you. If you made a banana zine, let me know in the comments below what you made. That's all for now, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more zine related content from me. Bye!